Thank you, Baljeet. Ekkan Baljeet sir. Now we'll have the next from the woman. Now we are not going to say woman short service, but a present commission officer like Captain Brady. Thank
Very good afternoon to each one of you. I'm steady listening to everybody the other and all the points are very valid. और मैं सोच रही थी कि जब मैं आ भी रही थी कल विक्सर से बात की हुई थी तो आई वाज रियली थिंकिंग एवरी टाइम ही कम एंड से with the commission officers we take under the oath we give up our liberties our fundamental rights. The bullet at the border doesn't discriminate between us and other stock services, the permanent commissioner, ready for that matter. But where is the problem? The last thing what Kanapama said, I want to start from there, that you really have to come up with a lot of actionable points. We have tried everything. We have gone to the politicians, you may tend to speak in the Lok Sabha or, where any platform that we find, somebody suggested we go to the chief also. I mean, what important thing that is coming out is that the more brainstorming is required. We really need to sit in a round square rather than in this format where we are kind of speaking as a speaker or lecturing, because we really have to find a solution. Of course, morning when I was talking to Ganandan, we were talking about vote back. We are meager few thousands. We are not a big vote bank for the politicians to be concerned about our issues. Our own fraternity, who's got all the benefits, rightly put across by a lot of you, you achieve because you've been NDS boss or whatever. So they're not going to talk about us. Why will they go and talk about ये इस पर ऐसे शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन ऑफिसर्स है या ये कुछ ऑफिसर्स है जिनको प्रिविलेज नहीं मिल रहा कमीशन ऑफिसर होने का. मुझे भी रैक दिया गया था. मतलब I always tell sir that I'm representing a lot of women officers. I'll be from the pioneering batch of the women officer. So I don't want to get into that thing कि women officer, we have another set of issues. हमें तो consider ही नहीं किया गया था permanent commission के लिए. You promised us, and especially in Air Force advertisement, they said we will consider you for permanent commission, but they have not considered us for the permanent commission, and they just thrown us out, saying that it was only short service. And when he went to the court, the ad hocism of judiciary was seen. I had lost case in the, in front of Chief Justice of India, previous Chief Justice of India, Justice Chandrachud. So, who are we expecting from? So, we've also spoken about the system. We cannot go beyond the system. But system need to be evaluated and need to be evolved. So, we'll have to build that debate even with the chiefs, because this is our fraternity and they'll have to be convinced somewhere. I mean, that is one thing that I'm just talking about. That we will have to work towards looking after these officers who are coming out of services. It's a pyramidal structure. Each one of us know from the day we enter that not everybody is going to the top, not everybody is going to be in the armed forces. There are people who will go out, but what are you doing about that? We're all struggling in the civil world. When we come back, women officers have a different kind of issues, to be very honest. Let me put across, I've always been advocate of, I always advocate that we will not discriminate and say there was a gender, we are different or this, but we have our own set of issues, because we are still, they are trying and understand, because when we entered our stations, they didn't know what to do with us. They didn't know how to handle us. And we actually faced it, to be very honest, But, okay, those were the teething problems. We have very nicely, very courageously, with a lot of grit, faced it, overcome, and now it's a norm to have a women around. Like you're working, women officers, it's been 30 years, I was commissioned, I was commissioned 30 years already. Now, the point here is that we need to have more and more such interaction where we have a round square discussions, not sitting in this kind of format, where we really come up to get those actionable point and we go and take actions. I'm very, very grateful to Colonel Will and friend Captain Bhardwaj, who actually taken those steps. Why are we given this ECHS where it is only 50% this thing, when the sir has also said that there is only 50% reimbursement will be there. That too, it's not cashless. We still fight it. You take 1,20,000 from us also at the beginning. So this discrimination is always there. There's always going to be class within the class. All of us are aware. We've all served in the armed forces. We know that there is a different class. We're always being discriminated. We want to create a class by saying women officer or meat officer. We create a class by saying supporting force and armed forces, by the fighting forces and the support forces. So, but these are some realities that we'll have to live with. But we'll have to come up with the solution within these realities. We'll have to brainstorm, we'll have to think again, and we'll have to find how can we build up a way out of these deadlocks. I mean, it's not the dead end. It's some blockade which we need to come up with, solved and move forward. So with this, I don't want to take more time. Thank you so very much for listening. And